Alia Bhatt, Fawad Khan and Sidharth Malhotra recently visited Comedy Nights Bachao show to promote their upcoming movie Kapoor and Sons. Sidharth and Alia's chemistry as usual was sizzling and they both had lots of fun during the show. Whereas Fawad Khan also tried his best to match the energy of Sidharth and Alia on the set. We've already seen Alia and Sidharth's chemistry earlier. Now let's see how Fawad Khan and Alia Bhatt's chemistry will work. In the promo, you can see Alia Bhatt in sexy short dress and having lots of fun on the set with Bharti and Krushna. Kapoor and Sons movie is being directed by Shakun Batra. Alia Bhatt, Sidharth Malhotra and Fawad Khan are playing lead role in the movie, and the movie will hit the theatres on March 18th.